Since Tesla Cybertruck have a steel body, the doors are really heavy. Because of this, Tesla puts some attention to detail into the Cybertruck doors so it doesn't unintentionally cut your fingers off. Remember, these doors are super heavy and it could be dangerous if it closed on anyone's finger. So what does Tesla do? Right when you open it, special levers are enabled to make it impossible for you to immediately close it. So after you open the door, you have to pull the door further out and then it will allow you to close it. It's impressive to see that Tesla even thought of putting this safety features for the Cybertruck doors with the special levers that prevent immediate closure, reducing the risk of accidents. Demonstrate Tesla's commitment to safety. These little things that are really a big deal are what separates a Tesla from the rest, especially when it comes to safety.